Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I cut my potato greens with my small food processor. So I wish I had the big one, but I don't. So as you can see, it's taking me a little bit longer than usual here. So yeah, so those are the stems that you're looking at that I took out of the potato greens or leaves here. So I put it there and then blend it and then put it back into that pot. So yeah, I just want to show you. I know a lot of people are using the veggie bullet, which I don't have, so I'm gonna make use of what I have instead of cutting it. This is how my potato greens or potato leaves are looking like. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing, and I'm loving it so far. So I bought like 4 bags of potato greens from my local produce store for like $6 a bag. So I'm making use of it now. So you guys, as you can see, this is how it turned out to be. So when I'm using my food processor, I don't grind this, I chop it. I don't put water in it, and I just go ahead and just take it off the stems. Let me show you what I do. So I left some here for you guys. So what I do, take this off the stems like this, like that. You don't want this whole big stem right here. You don't need that, okay? So don't do that. And then these are already off the stems. So what I'm gonna do is just take it and put it back in here. And yeah, I did a lot so far. As you can see, it was a whole bunch of them, in this pan, and the stems are like right there. So now what we're gonna do now is to actually blend, not blend, chop. I'm sorry. So what we do is take this, okay, and cut it up in pieces. Like that. The reason why you're gonna do this because of the stems that are attached to the potato leaves, okay? And then you don't want to put too much, okay? So, and then no water or anything like that. Like I said, no water at all, okay? So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna press chop. I have chop right here and I have grind right here, so I'm gonna be using this one, okay? The reason that I'm shaking it this way, because I want all the potato greens, to be blended equally and stuff like that. So guys, this is okay. I don't want it like a paste kind of form, because it's gonna cook. It's potato greens, so it's okay. Like, it's not, you see this right here, that's okay as well. So this is how it is right here. So I will put it in here and do as much, so that's what I've been doing. Just let me show somebody this that haven't done it before with their food processor, or looking for the veggie bullet or can't afford it. You can also do it with this one. You just need to take your time. Please do not put water into this. Potato greens already have water in them, so there's no need for you to put water, you know, into the potato green. Don't do it. Just do that. And yeah, this is 10 times easier than the cutting process. Okay, cutting process. Okay guys, so this is it right here. So guys, this is it right here. Like I said, it doesn't have to be 100% fine, but this will work, you know, instead of cutting it. So alright guys, so I have all of that left for me to do, and I will see you guys on my next one, guys. Alright, I hope this one helps, and if you want to see how I prepare this for cooking, let me know. I'll do a video about it as well. So but for right now, this is it, y'all. This is it. Alright guys, easiest way ever. Okay, easiest way ever.